Hi everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will be exploring MongoDB aggregation and understanding how aggregation pipelines work. This is the foundation for working with advanced data transformations in MongoDB. Let's get started. In MongoDB, aggregation pipeline consists of multiple stages, and each stage transforms the data. In multi-stage pipeline, each stage the documents are taken as input and produces the resultant set of documents to the next stage. In each stage, filters, modifies, or computes data on the document. This transformation could be filtering the specific fields, calculating the averages, grouping the data, or reshaping the structure of the documents. In this sequential flow, stage 1, the output is passed to stage 2, and stage 2 will pass the output to stage 3. In this way, we can chain the multiple stages to create a complex data processing workflows. Let's see some example of operation in each stage. $match used to filter the document based on some conditions. $group used to group the documents and apply some operations like sum, average, or count. Project to restructure the data, that is include or exclude the fields or modify the document structure itself. Sort documents used to order the documents based on the specific fields. Unwind used to flatten the arrays, like it is used for destructuring the arrays into individual documents. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing to my channel.